Hey everybody, we're going to show you how I fix my doghouse insulation. When I had my accident, it blew out a lot of the insulation. So we're going to need quite a few tools that you can see here. This is the brand new insulation. We got it from Amazon. It's pretty thick stuff. It's just a blanket, and we're going to spread it out and secure it. First of all, we got to do the demo. Yeah, we're going to look around here real quick, and then we're going to start pulling it up. Now, I want to point out these little spikes here. This is from the factory, and it's a fiberglass doghouse cover. And we're going to have to work around, which it wasn't so bad. They came off those little nails pretty quick. Just want to show you a few pieces of how I was able to pull this out. You know, and even though it had an adhesive, it came off relatively easy, except for a couple of spots. This is kind of nasty stuff. A lot of people would probably prefer to use gloves, but that's just the way I roll. And then I wash my hands thoroughly afterwards. And definitely don't do this on a windy day. You don't want to be breathing in any of this fiberglass. It's just a little nasty. Well, we had to pull it out and up. It seemed like the demo in this job took just about as long as the insulation. Here's one of those spikes I was talking about. I figured if you just rock it back and forth, grip it, and it'll just break off right at the surface. Should mention that the new product that we're putting in has a nice thick layer of foam, and it is self-adhesive. And we're just cleaning up here. Very soon we're going to lay down the blanket and start taking some measurements and making a few cuts. There are going to be a few overlaps. It's not that hard of a deal. Here I have a spice bottle. I forgot to buy the little roller that normally comes with this product. And I bet if you used a small rolling pin from your kitchen, if you can get one of those, it probably would have worked just as well. Since my motorhome is over 30 years old, you see that gray carpet? That wasn't original. So what I had to do with the foam was kind of shove it under the edge of that, and it really held it well. When you do your doghouse with the new insulation, take your time, make the cuts, apply the tape. It's a pretty easy job, so good luck to you, and it should go really well. Thanks for watching, everybody.